Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress website with Gohighlevel. At first, log into your Gohighlevel and then click on Sites and then click on Add New Site and make sure you have bought WordPress. After that, you're going to click on Create WordPress. From there, it's going to say that create a WordPress site for your business. You're going to name your site whatever you want to and then put a username, put a password and then the email, which is the admin email. After that, it's going to take from 10 to 15 minutes depending on your network speed for the site to be installed. Once it's done, you can see that there'll be your URL and then the code or the URL with which the admin can access it, and then you can edit either you want your domain or subdomain, things like that, and then you can import if you already have any website. After that, you can see that in the sites option in WordPress in user management, your website will be there, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.